Welcome. If you're looking to clear your recent search history on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to delete all your recent searches on the Instagram app for PC, following the latest update. Whether you want to tidy up your search history for privacy or just want a fresh start, it only takes a minute. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several icons there, but what you're looking for is the search icon. It usually looks like a magnifying glass. Go ahead and click on that search icon. Now, you'll see your recent searches displayed right in the center of your screen. This is a list of accounts, hashtags, or places you've looked up recently. If you want to delete individual searches, you can do that by clicking the small X next to each item. But if you want to clear everything at once, look for the Clear All option. This should be located at the top right corner of your recent searches list. Click on Clear All. A confirmation message will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to delete all your recent searches. This is just to make sure you don't remove your search history by accident. If you're ready to proceed, simply confirm the step by clicking Clear All again in the confirmation box. And that's it. Your recent search history is now completely cleared from your Instagram app on PC. You'll notice that your search list is now empty, giving you a clean slate for your next searches. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.